In this video, I'll talk to you guys about the metaverse marketing and the revolution, which is the virtual reality. So what is virtual reality, which means the VR? It's a computer-generated environment with a sense and objects that appear to be real, and then making the user feel like they are actually immersed in their surroundings. And this environment is perceived through a device known as a virtual reality headset or helmet. I believe everyone already have experienced something like a video games when you put some device in front of your eyes and you feel like you are inside of a video games. Yeah, that's the VR. And about the metaverse is a version of what many in the computers industry believes is the next iteration of the internet. It's a single shared immersive persistent 3D virtual space where humans experiences life in ways they could not in the physical world. So imagine you are playing video games, like I said before, you are not only playing in front of the screen, so you are actually feels like you are the person inside of the game. So what's the benefits of the VR? Like what's the difference between VR marketing with the traditional marketing, and how can we use VR in the current marketing? So VR marketing places at the audience at the center of the immersive experiences, where they can actually interact with the brand or the product in a virtual environment. This heightened immersion often leads to more profound and memorable experiences. And another thing is interactivity. So VR marketing allows for real-time two-way interactions. That means the user can engage with the product, services, or environment in a personalized and a dynamic manner. This engagement leads to a stronger emotional connection. And following by that, we have the audience engagements. So VR creates a profound sense of presence and engagements. Users feel like active participations rather than passive observers, resulting in a higher level of engagement with the content. And then we have the cost and technology barriers. So developing VR content and companies can be really costly, and it requires technical expertise. Users also need VR hardwares, which may limit the audience. But in my opinion, VR, everything we do with the VR is actually worth it, because right now, as you guys can see, every single thing is online. And let's take a really good example. Like for now, if you have a house, you try to do some decoration, and you try to like do some designs. In order to do those stuff, you don't have to actually physically go into the shop. You can just simply put a device in front of your head, and we can automatically see like what you can do, what the design looks like, what's the final version of the work looks like. And now the benefits of the VR. First one I want to talk about is the virtual showrooms. So the VR enables our creation of virtual showrooms and stores. Customers can actually virtually browsers through the products, trying them out, and make purchases without leaving the comfort of their homes. This is not only enhance convenience, but also reduces the needs of the physical stores. Another thing is the brand presence. The brand presence in the metaverse. The metaverse is a digital universe where users interact with each other and digital content. So by establishing a presence in the metaverse through VR experiences, brand can actually engage with the consumers in a space where they are naturally congregated. And now we have a data analytes. So the VR platform provides valuable data and analyze on user behavior and engagements within virtual experiences. So brands can use the data to refine their marketing strategies and tailor content to user preference. And a cross-platform compatibility. That means VR contents can often be accessed through various VR headsets and platforms, make it like accessible to a worldwide audience. And this cross-platform compatibility ensures that brands can search a broader demographic. So in my conclusion, I would say the VR is a technology that created immersive, interactive, and simulated environments in which users can interact with digital contents. It offers a range of benefits in marketing and beyond. So right now, since everything we can see, everything is trying to go as a digital since the COVID hit, right? Like after COVID, we see there's a lot of like digital marketing, a lot of stores. It's actually online. We'll see a lot of decrease with the physical stores, and I think VR is the way to go in the future because it's just technology, and not just because on the marketing. You'll see a lot of people already using VR as a entertainment, no matter they're playing games or doing some fun stuff. I think VR is the way to go.